Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by summoning an armor stand as the ghost body using a single command. /summon armor stand ~= invisible. 1B no gravity 1B marker 1B invulnerable 1B glowing 1B. That invisible 1B flag removes the model no gravity 1B makes it float marker 1B makes hitbox tiny and invulnerable 1B prevents damage. To give a hint of a face, equip a carved pumpkin or skull in the helmet slot. Or set custom name, Ghost, for a floating label. Use glowing 1B or apply effect glowing for 10 seconds to make the ghost behave. Tag the armor stand with tags, Ghost, and use a repeating command block running every 1 tick to update position. Example movement. Execute as at etag equals ghost at p run TP at S1, which moves the ghost 1 block toward the targeted player each tick. For smoother behavior, add gradual teleport intervals of 5 to 10 ticks, or use pathing with invisible Vex or Shulker proxies. Use scoreboard objectives and tags to toggle states such as idle, chase, and vanish based on distance or light level. Polish your ghost by layering effects. Summon particles with /particle cloud ~1 0 30 60 30 0110 to create a mist and play sound ambient. Cave at volume 0, 5 for mood. For an aggressive variant, summon a Vex with no AI 0 custom name, Ghoul, health 4, 0F and tag it to follow the armor stand or player. This gives a tangible threat with only 4 HP. Use slow falling for 5 seconds to simulate drifting, and set to spawn behavior using a timer of 600 ticks, 30 seconds, or scoreboard-triggered vanish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.